Here is how to scrape Facebook Marketplace listing details with no coding knowledge. For this, we'll need the Facebook Marketplace scraper from Nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press Listing Details. As you can see, we extracted the details of this property. To extract more, simply press on a different one. Now head to the settings. Then press on Store Data. In here you can find all data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on Customize. Then press on Listing Details. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add the criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-on section. Now to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export as HTML. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted.